In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add store credit to Shopify customers. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in your Shopify admin, how to choose the right customer, and how to safely add or adjust their store credit so it's ready to use at checkout. Let's start from your Shopify dashboard. Go ahead and log into your Shopify admin in your browser. And once you're in, you should land on the main dashboard page. This is the home base where you see an overview of your store's activity, like recent orders and sales analytics. From here, we're going to move into the area where your customer information is managed. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, look for the navigation menu. Find the option labeled Customers and click on it. This section is where Shopify keeps a record of everyone who has interacted with your store, whether they've placed an order, subscribed to marketing, or simply created an account. Adding store credit is tied directly to a specific customer profile, so it's important that you're in the right place. Once the customers page opens, you'll see a list of all your customers. You can scroll through the list, but if you have many customers, it's usually faster to use the search bar at the top. Type in the customer's name or email address to narrow down the results. When you see the customer you want to give store credit to, click on their name to open their profile. Inside the customer's profile, you'll see their contact details, order history, and various account settings. Look for the section labeled Store Credit. This is where you manage any credit balance associated with this specific customer. Next to the store credit label, you should see a small pen or edit icon. Click on that pen icon to open the store credit editor. A panel or pop-up will appear, allowing you to enter the credit amount you'd like to add or adjust. Type in the amount carefully, making sure the currency matches your store settings. You can also think about leaving a note or internal reason, if Shopify offers that, to remind yourself why this credit was added, such as a refund, loyalty reward, or a special promotion. After entering the desired amount, click on the option to review changes. This step gives you a chance to double check that the amount is correct before saving. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Save. The customer's store credit balance will now be updated and ready to be applied to future